Hey guys, welcome back to ODTV. So there's this thing that's been going on for quite some time now, the rice water for your hair. So today I wanted to really, try it out and see if it actually works. So a lot of people have been using it mainly for hair growth, but there are other benefits to the hair rice. So there's also the straightening of your hair. It gives your hair sheen, stuff like that, along with obviously growing your hair. So for people who have short hair and you're looking for your hair to be a little bit longer, this just may be what you need. But, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to see what it's like. And that way you guys can now, see whether or not it's something that you would want to do. So what I did today before I left, I went ahead and I soaked some rice in a pot. I know, right? A lot of people use containers. I unfortunately used a pot because I was rushing out of the house. So it's been soaking for around, call it 3 to 4 hours. Some people do between 3 to 24 hours. Since this is my first time, I'll do 3 hours. Tomorrow, I'll probably do like 24 hours or something like that. And, work my way around that. The longer it stays in the water, apparently, the better it is. So think about that, to keep that in mind when you're doing it. So first thing you want to do is wash your hair. So shampoo your hair, or you can use a co-wash, whichever one you want to do. And then when you finish shampooing or co-washing your hair, then you want to go ahead and you're going to put the rice water in a container. So I'm going to go ahead right now. I'm going to go shampoo my hair, and then I'm going to come back and I will walk you guys through this whole process of ricing your hair. All right, guys, so I'm back. I just finished shampooing my hair. So I did use both the As I Am shampoo as well as the As I Am co-wash. Don't ask me why I use both. I'm just weird. So right now I have the pot of rice with water in it. So what I'm going to do is just put it in this container right here. So you could see that there is color change in the water. I didn't show you guys when I first put it in there, but this is what it looks like now. So this looks like it got soaked for quite some time, which is excellent. You want the water to look something like this. If it still looks like it's pretty clear, then you probably want to leave it in there to soak for some more time. So now what I'm going to do is put it inside of my spray bottle. I'm clumsy, so let me just do this. Guys, remember, like I said before, based on research, this should be really good for like hair growth, strengthening of your hair, giving your hair that nice extra sheen that it needs. So we shall actually see if this works within the next 1 week. All right. So here we have my rice water. Everybody, we got my rice water. So now what I'm going to do is separate my hair. Everybody does it different. I'm going to separate it just so that I know that every part of my hair is getting the rice water. So I'm going to separate it in 4 first. I'm going to do the first part. I'm going to separate this. Let me just comb it out a little bit. And remember, it's also supposed to be really good for detangling. So I'm going to actually spray some in there right now, since it's supposedly good for detangling. I don't know why my spray bottle's not working. Nope, now it's closed. Awesome, got it. Supposedly good for a lot of stuff, so we shall see. Guys, just make sure when you're soaking your water, don't soak it for too long to the point that it starts to smell. If it starts to smell, you're gonna have to start the whole process again. So I honestly would just recommend doing like 4 or 5 hours. Don't do the whole 24 hours. It should be soaked enough within that time period. Yeah. All right. So, mind you, don't just think that this kind of, hair regimen are just for women. They're for men too, okay? Same hair regimen, it will get the work done. So now I'm just separating each out of the 4 parts, and I'm just gonna spray it in there. Just rub it in there a little bit. Keep in mind, I am completely drenched right now. Just a FYI, but whatever. I don't know. It's kind of making my hair feel dry to me, but whatever. Let's see what happens. We shall see in due time. It's also supposed to give your hair some type of moisture. We'll see. I really want to put it at the ends of my hair. I haven't clipped my hair ends in quite some time, so there's like a lot of split ends there. So I know you're not supposed to wash your hair like every single day, but since I'm doing this, this experiment to see what it does for your hair, I am going to basically wash my hair for every day for the next 1 week, just to see, what the results would really be like. And I know it's not going to work overnight. It may take more than the 1 week, but at least I'll be able to give you guys an update of, how it's going. Comb it out. I don't know if you hear all of that. All right, guys, so I just finished spraying my hair with the rice water. So I'm gonna leave it in my hair for 20 minutes. I made sure to section out each of the 4 parts. I sectioned them out and I sprayed it. I made sure to actually go in the scalp, and I sprayed the scalp area as well. That's where all the new growth is gonna be. Especially for those girls who are transitioning from perm hair, this might actually be a great way to grow out your hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a timer on for around 20-30 minutes. So Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes from now.
20 minutes, starting now.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead, set the timer for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to wash out my hair, condition it, and I'm gonna see what the feel would be like. Once again, like I said before, it's gonna be a 1 week regimen that I'm gonna be doing, so I'm not really gonna see results today. I'm gonna see results hopefully starting from next week this time. All right, guys, so I just finished washing out my hair. So I went ahead, washed out the rice water, and then I conditioned it. I honestly don't really feel a difference, but like I said before, it's not going to be something that's instantaneous. So within the next 1 week, I'll be able to update you guys based on my daily usage of this and let you know what's going on. So friends, let's see if this rice water is what they say it is. So thank you guys for watching ODTV.